Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Manoj. So, I think we so far had a good week, and things are moving as per what might have been there. Right. So let's see last week where we saw the markets.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lord. So let's see where are we. Okay. So we had this as resistance crossed with a big white. Now we are entering this. So 560 is approaching. We are already at 525, 530 mark, and the close is 517 if I'm not wrong for Nifty, right? So this is where we are. We are still struggling around this level. This has not been crossed, okay, and there is a reason why it is not crossed. There is a gap there, okay. So we now need a break above this. I know break above this gives us directly a stop loss on the top bottom short trade we are already in, right? But that is fine, part and parcel of it. Okay, so this is one resistance which is right now stopping us. IT did fantastic. It just went, boom, right? FMCG is sluggish sideways, but we had few trades on uh, Hindustan Unilever, right? Then auto is now looking little bit tired, but I think we'll now see some reversal because I'm seeing some key stocks of auto also on track. And yes, why not forget MRF trade last week? It was fantastic. It was a beautiful setup. It gave the same day target as well, and then a fall also. So it's basically I'll explain even MRF trade here because I know I did recording last weekend because I was out. So basically, I've been to Mahad and supporting the people there who have been affected in floods. And even this week, I think maybe next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, we are planning to go back. And stocks, ACC gave us some money, Lever gave us money, Bajaj didn't trigger at all, MRF gave target, and DRR didn't trigger. So not good, but let's see. It was still 3 out of 5. So yet 60%. And I think the two BTST trades we did, I think on Lever and Asian Paint also did well. So we are doing good with respect to even trades in this month, right? So normally अपना जो लास्ट 3 महीने का पूरा महीने का है, उससे ज्यादा एवरेज से ज्यादा ऑलरेडी अपना हाफ मंथ में हो चुका है, right? So we are good with that as well. So let's start with this month's analysis. Okay, let me bring my chart here. I was just in top bottom before we started today. Okay. So this is one potential trade. We'll talk on that when we come to stocks. Okay. So Nifty. Nifty is already in a flag mode, by the way. Okay, I know yesterday someone asked me about shorting Nifty, and I was like, पहले देखो कौन सा पैटर्न है ये, देखो इसे देखो. Okay, it's already given a breakout. We should be looking towards around the Nifty target of around 17,000. Okay, so this is what Nifty is already showing us on daily charts. Okay, so we might touch this levels now in Nifty. Okay, it's a straight away 4 bar sideways and then may take it till this height. Okay, so this is on daily chart where we are seeing um, Nifty to go. Okay, so Nifty is looking quite quite positive right now. There is no bearishness anywhere on the charts as well. Okay, so I'll just remove this line so that we can see on weekly time frame. weekly time frame also looks similar. And see, ये जिस दिन हुआ था मैंने उसी दिन बोल दिया था, that means we are seeing 15,000 16,560. Okay, so this will come. Okay, and now we will see that also. Okay, so this is approaching. Look at this. See, because that day, if you remember, there was only one trade that happened at this price. It was not a freak price. See, normally we see fat finger error. Okay, it is one or two quantity that does, some handshakes. That day it was 32,000 quantity. 32,000 quantity masti nahi hoti hai. Okay, so that means we were sure that this will come. Okay, and now we are approaching that. Okay, so this should go beyond it, then only this guy is going to make some money. Okay, so if it goes to the target of flag, which is coming to almost 16,900, then he makes some decent 400 points on that 32,000 quantity. Okay, so that is one thing. And yes, this we were talking even earlier, and it's see monthly में bearishness कभी भी नहीं दिखा था हमको. There is no bearish divergence, nothing. It's smooth sailing high. Okay, and still 5.6 or 4 points to go on RSI. Okay, index can easily go to 80. It is 75.91. So you can expect even the top band over here is 17,400. Okay, so whether we see that or not, I'm not much keen, but we might see that 16,900 approaching as per the target of flag on the daily time frame. Okay, and this is now moving, decently up, and yet I don't see any break of the trend. Look at this. Okay, the trend line is still intact. Okay, so yeah, you can say a V-shaped recovery now, very well done by the markets after the fall due to Corona, right? And this is more than a V. Okay, just one. Okay, and earlier when I was saying this, I don't know whether how many of you remember, जब ये मैंने तभी भी दिखाया था कि we are moving towards it, because once we broke 60, this was something that we were saying that this will come. So now we are almost at the target, by the way, target of this. So this is already there now. 17,400, where even your upper band on monthly is. Right, so now this is approaching. I know earlier मैं जब भी बोलता था ये आएगा तो we were thinking, doubting everything, but see how technical works and it gives you that thing. Okay, and this was the type of recovery we have seen in Nifty, and same pattern is there in Bank Nifty. So first let's write down on Nifty. I don't see anywhere any bearishness. Okay, so if you look at even this, there is no bearish divergence now in the recent trend. See, now this is the new top. Between this top, there is 68 ka RSI, this is 71. So it also nullified each and every bearishness on the weekly time frame. We had earlier 4 to 6 bar bearish divergence on weekly. Now that has also been nullified, and we are now seeing a higher top been made and a higher bottom. So this is a new bottom, then this bottom, then this bottom. So see, it's just still making higher top, higher bottom. So it's still now in intact with the uptrend, right? So let's write down. I17 किधर लिखा भाई साहब तुमने? Okay, so daily squeeze breakout. Okay, that is what it did. And squeeze breakout now daily flat setup with target of 16,940. Okay, nullified and bullish formation. So same thing here. So weekly bullish candle and I think band work कर रहा था ना, नहीं band के वहाँ पे ही है. Okay, bullish candle and moving higher. Monthly starts with positive move. Okay, inbuilt no inbuilt bearish and diamond index. So all of this remains intact for us. Okay, so now resistance changes. This will be now support. Okay, so I'll move this down. Okay, and I'll remove this now. Okay, and I'll shift this a bit. Okay. And move this from 800 now to 940 because that is even the target. And maybe then 17,200 will keep. Right now it is actually 17,400, but I don't want to give a bigger resistance because it's 300 points still. This is almost 400, 380 points. So let it be here. It should be ideally 17,380. Okay, because that is where the upper band is. So this is what we have on 14th of August. Okay, right. Then let's see what Bank Nifty has for us.
August 16th.
Starting August 16. Yes, yes. Devin bhai, you are always there to help. I always forget even the sectors you always found that. Okay, so this is also now setting up something. Top bottom वालों एक loss होने वाला है. See this. So now there is going to be some approach on the upside for perhaps I think 37,000. ये भाई चलो ना, ये मटकी ये दिख रहा है. So 37, 600, 37, 500. So we might touch the all-time high again. Okay, so this is what we might have it on Bank Nifty as well. We'll have to see what the market does that fight that level. Okay, because this is going to be retesting of the new all-time high. So this is what you can see here. Okay, so Bank Nifty can retest the high again. As per daily charts, it also has got a flag setup. Okay, let's go to weekly. Weekly also just above 60 now, and it has crossed actually one of the resistance here on weekly. So we were struggling. See, till last week we were struggling. Okay, for this particular gap to be filled. Okay, let me show you that gap. See, ये वाला ये जो दो कैंडल के बीच में गैप है. Okay, if you look at it, this 35, 800, 900 was not getting closed. Okay, on closing basis, we never went above it. Okay, we made an intraday high or intra-week high above it, but we never closed it. This time, a CIP with a small candle here. Okay, so now it can go till 37,162, which is the upper band on weekly. So this also looks decent to me. Okay, so again now Bank Nifty is showing some strength. So once we cross 36,600, we are approaching 37,100 or 200, and above that the new all-time high is awaited. Okay, so that is where we are, and beautiful 60 support when taken again on the monthly time frame. Okay, so monthly time frame also looks okay to me. There is no issues that we are seeing here, and we are already above the doji high of last month. Okay, so we have started on a positive note. I will be not surprised if we see similar thing here. Okay, and then this on the upside. और वो बहुत दूर की बात है, दिल्ली बहुत दूर है। ओके, अभी के लिए सिंपल रखते हैं। ओके, वी माइट सी दिस अप्रोच, 2 candles down, and might get this in a near month. That is around 39,700. Okay, so this can be the potential target for short term for Bank Nifty. Okay, we are not predicting anything. We'll do as per top bottom. Okay, and we had a very good squeeze which has moved on now on the upside. So once ये भी breakout देगा, squeeze में ऐसा बैंड वॉक देखने को मिलेगा. And this is after a long consolidation between 40-60, and now we are not trying to go below 60. So let's see whether we do get some breakout now on Bank Nifty as well. Okay, so Bank Nifty has got one resistance which is the 36,600. Okay, so 36,600 के ऊपर में वो छोटा सा resistance gap इधर है 37,200. That is what even we are citing even on the weekly and monthly time frame. Right, so let's write down on this as well. So this becomes finally golden index, by the way. All time frames are about 60 for it. Okay, so this is the last month close, last day close, and so we have daily small candle at support, weekly gap closed, small candle at CIB. Okay, and monthly shows upside, move at 60 support. Okay, so that is where we are. Now resistances will change. Now we have this as the first resistance. We need to break it, 6,600, and then comes directly 37,150. Okay, then comes this. We stop लगा दिया भूल से. Okay. Now 35,950 should act as resistance. 35,600. Sorry, 34,000. You are left behind. Okay, so now we have this. Right. So Bank Nifty looks stronger. Nifty looks more stronger. Okay. So this both are done. Now let's move fast onto the other indices. So let's move to the other indices before we go to the stocks. First starts with Nifty IT. IT has been booming. Okay, it has been making new high. Look at Infosys, look at TCS. Both are at a new high. And daily chart shows still some steam in there. Just band walk started yesterday. Okay. Band walk already continuing on weekly. Look at this band walk. Beautiful. And this is what Bank Nifty can do. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it might do. No, there is no divergence setup on BNF right now. So wait a minute. We'll see that. Okay, but there is no divergence setup right now on it because we'll have to see with respect to the current new candles rather than with the old one. We'll see that also. So IT is fantastic. Okay, there is no divergence. Look at this. See, IT ने किया तो बाकी लोग क्यों नहीं करेगा? Okay, look at the way it has gone. चलने बेटा. See, then it retraced. See, फिर उधर उसको एक ब्लैक कैंडल है. एक थोड़ा नीचे था. See, it came till the target, then it retraced. Okay. Then now it has started the move again. And that target is also done. See this. Now we are beyond that target. तो अगर आईटी ऐसे जा सकता है तो बाकी कोई क्यों नहीं जा सकता? Okay, so see, I was saying this since I think last year that pandemic है, पूरा worldwide सब countries को hit हुआ है. The only way to zoom the economy is to zoom the market. So then only I know no one will believe fundamentals से मानने को ही तैयार नहीं. वो लोग तो अभी गिरने का राह देख रहे हैं. See, people are thinking Nifty should go to 6,500. We are 10,000 points above that. Okay, because it's basic common sense that we can't afford the markets to drop. Otherwise, आज किसी के पास पैसा ही नहीं है तो ये पैसा देगा नहीं मार्केट से, तो कहाँ से फिर वो लोग खड़े भी होंगे? इवन इंडस्ट्रीज एंड एवरीवन दे ऑल आर हिट. तो जब तक शेयर का प्राइस नहीं बढ़ाएंगे वो लोग तो तब तक उनको भी पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? एंड आई विल बी नॉट सरप्राइज प्रमोटर्स विल बी सेलिंग सम शेयर्स बिहाइंड द मार्केट. वी डोंट नो. बहुत सारे डाइल्यूट हो गया और उसमें से ही पैसा बनेगा तभी उनका कंपनी भी चलेगा, नहीं तो कंपनी भी राम राम हो जाएगा. So Nifty IT is also looking very, very good. Okay. It has just moved up by almost 1,300 points last week. It's 32,630 के ऊपर है. इधर गया मैंने क्या टाइप किया? कहाँ टाइप हो रहा है? Typing somewhere, but it is going somewhere else. अभी हुआ. Okay, so daily breakout on upper band and band walk started. Weekly bullish candle above upper band. No, bullish candle and band walk. Okay, monthly bullish candle at all-time high. It's a diamond index. So we'll have to see where to enter into new trade into TCS or even Infosys. Okay, and बाकी सब कंपनी से ही जा रहा. माइंट्री एंड ऑल आई डोंट नो. 150 रुपये दिन का बढ़ रहा है. कैसे बढ़ रहा है, क्या बढ़ रहा है, मालूम ही नहीं. Okay, so that is one more thing. Let's see the other indices. 670 है वो मेरे को राइट करना है बस. एक मिनट, इसने मेरे को बोला इधर है वेरी डाइवर्जेंस. इधर है 62 है ये 62.44 है. ओके, there is some bearish divergence which will need confirmation. ठीक है, so spot में दिख रहा है. we'll have to see. And over here 62 and 61. Okay, so even in daily we do have some. We'll have to see that. But the setup is actually positive, so we'll have to wait and watch. Okay, it's a candle on CIP as well. So divergence will need confirmation. It will confirm only below this. So 35,600 के नीचे confirm होगा spot के लिए. Okay, so we'll have to wait. ठीक है. Yes, there is some spot में भी दिख रहा है. So there is some divergence here. But it's okay. We'll see that. Just mention that as well. IT for infra stocks. See, again, it is at all-time high with a hammer on the last week. So it might still go higher. This is also on the verge of new breakout now. It's already on the all-time high. And no bearishness here as well. So it's also moving, in the direction it is supposed to be. So infra stocks is looking good, and that's why ACCN, I think two stocks again that are in my mind for this week is ACC and Asian Paints. I'll show you the reason as well. Okay, so infra is looking good, and maybe even steel might add more steam to it, but steel has no entry, so that's why we are not looking also into steel. Okay. The reality we have checked in and we had some fall in it and now it has gone down. But look at monthly, it is still a spinning top and it is at CIP. See, look at it. Okay, so now realty sector. So I know we have given a buy call also on India Bull Real Estate, IB Real Estate, in fact. Okay, and you might also look at Suntech and the other stocks on reality sector, DLF for sure. Okay, so they are doing good. And look at this. This is the doji at CIP after the breakout. See, big white candle to do a breakout and then a doji at a CIP. Okay, so this sector should now blast. Okay, so this should now blast. This is the upcoming sector. Investment in this in mainly only DLF is in futures, I think, and rest all are the stocks in equity in this sector. So you can look at into. I think I have few stocks. Let me see that. Yeah, so IB real estate is one. So I think Godrej Properties is one. Brigade Enterprise. All of these are uh, from that sector. These are the four stocks from that sector, particular sector. So DLF, I think it is in futures. Brigade Enterprise is also looking good. Godrej Properties is looking good. Okay, and so is in fact IB Real Estate. So these are from the realty sector as well. Right. So this really looks good and can have a good breakout now. Let's move to FMCG. FMCG is also making new high now. Okay, going smoothly above. I think Yogendra का कुछ तो problem है. He's trying to join, but सही मेरे को कब का request आता है. Right, so this is also looking good. Doji at 60 support, see around 60, and followed by it's a bull sash, and then we have again see taking the support at the gap created by the pro gap candle here. Okay, so pro gap के ही gap पे support लिया इसने और doji बनाया है. So even FMCG is looking good. Daily is just crossing 60, but it is also at 60 and upper band resistance. So need to see whether it crosses this or does it, break down. So only one issue, daily looks little bit tired, but the other time frames are okay. It's monthly, it is at all time high by the 36842. Seventy-eight. daily doji at 60 and price resistance actually. Upper band भी actually दोनों है बराबर ही लास्ट वीक से उधर ही खड़ा है क्या ये हाँ उधर ही खड़ा मतलब लास्ट वीक भी इधर ही था वो 5 कैंडल के पहले भी उधर ही था अभी भी इधर ही है अरे भाई सब 60 की रेजिस्टेंस पे रुके हैं ओके so that is fine so this remains same for red weekly 3 bar bearish divergence setup वो सेटअप का क्या सीन है अच्छा हाँ वो नलीफाई कर दिया वो जाने दो 66 and 66 so it is still but it's now a doji so you won't compare this okay so now you can ignore it actually so setup नहीं नलीफाइड हो गया ये मंथली डोजी है जाने दो इसको ओके निफ्टी ऑटम now small candle because it's still half a month now let's go to auto फटाफट निफ्टी ऑटो क्या बोलता है पहले फार्मा देख लेते हैं बेचारा बहुत गिरा है गिरा हुआ इंसान at 20 MA support and probably at the gap support here okay so we have a hammer low still to be defended ah this is a good setup by the way if you now look at it okay, this is doji at lower band and 40 support so this looks good to me okay this looks good to me actually pharma sector monthly okay see monthly is at this CIP right now the previous all-time high का सपोर्ट है अभी इसको अभी ये चलना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से तो ओके also let's see where we are with respect to the retracement मेरे हिसाब से मैं 23% के आजू बाजू में हूँ फिर भी एक बार देख लेते हैं सी एग्जैक्टली है 25% अभी ये अगर नहीं चला तो कब चलेगा so this looks more healthier to me now okay so 14,049 ये किधर लिख रहा है तू ये जा कहाँ रहा है बेटा एक मिनट ये इंसर्ट दब गया गलती से उसको कैसे निकालने का इंसर्ट किधर इधर हाँ अनलॉक क्यों अपने आप हो जाए पता नहीं डेली इसको छोड़ दो डेली जी एट 40 and band support okay weekly से जाने दो weekly bearish candle right MA 20 support okay and monthly CIP at previous ATH okay previous all time high okay so ये भी गोल्डन है अभी तो सब गोल्डन है ऑल टाइम फिर चला अबाउट 60 बाय द 60 पॉइंट समथिंग है इसलिए मैं 60 रेजिस्टेंस तो डाल दिया बट स्टिल एट ऑल टाइम हाई Okay. So this is looking good. So pharma में देखना पड़ेगा. So auto has taken 40 support on daily. Okay, looks good. This has taken support on 20 ms so far. And that's also price support. Overall, if you draw a straight line, you can look at this. Okay, ये पूरा line support line है. और मंथली अभी भी 60 के आसपास में डोजी बन रही है. So this sector might see a boom. Okay, so auto is at 178. 178. Okay, so we are around 20 MA resistance, but above 40. So that is still true. Okay, but daily is at around 20 MA resistance above 40. Okay, it's still below 20 MA right now. Weekly is at 20 MA bearish candle, but at 20 MA support same. And monthly CIP. अरे एक मिनट, ये इधर से नीचे से ऊपर कॉपी करो. देखिए जो फार्मा में है वही ऑटो में भी है. Okay. So this remains constant. This remains. Monthly is just at 60. Monthly is doji right now. Okay, just at 60. Okay, so this is what the index is talking to us. Now let's see the stocks. What? This time I'll start with ACC first. ACC weekly at 25% of retracement. Look at this. See, it bounced from, sorry, 38% retracement. So first is that. Okay. Second thing, let me show you something beautiful. किस किस ने P1 किया था और ट्रेंड लाइन और ट्रेंड चैनल सीखा था, लेकिन हम लोग ने कभी जिंदगी में उसको यूज नहीं किया था. Okay, so now see this breakout on the channel, support on the channel. So if it now bounces above this, we are looking at 2700. Okay, approaching on this particular thing, because this is the width of the channel and channel width is your next target. Okay, so if this goes from here above the channel, this is what you are looking for. Okay, so ACC is looking good and we saw infrastructure is looking good as well. Okay, so ACC on that way it is looking good, and even this is settling right now at 38%. Okay, so even here if you look at it from Fibonacci point of view, see it's settling at 38. So once it crosses this level 2336, or I will just go for 2340. Okay, so buy about 2340 and you can then come to almost this level. Okay, so it's looking very, very good. It's a healthy retracement it's been doing here. Okay, the volume here is still not been broken. Second thing is, if you recollect when we did the long green candle once upon a time, okay, जब भी आपने P1 किया रहेगा मेरे साथ, तभी मैंने बोला था कि लॉन्ग ग्रीन अगर वॉल्यूम के साथ है तो उसका 50% भी प्राइस को डिफेंड करता है. So look at this at 50%. I'm still defending it. I'm having a doji series of dojis. So unless this breaks down completely, I'm still going to have a new high been made. So ideally, it should be 2480 as the new target. But let's not keep any fancy targets for now. Okay, ऐसे भी स्टॉक आइडियाज वालों को तो मालूम है मैं 10 रुपए 15 रुपए में तो निकल जाऊंगा. 5,000 7,000 मिला बस हो गया, मैं उससे ज्यादा की उम्मीद भी नहीं रखता हूँ, right? So that is what we are doing. Okay, so ACC again I give you it is right now 06. So I say buy about. डिलीवरी एक्चुअली फ्लिपकार्ट से कौन है भाई, क्या मंगाया है? मैंने तो कुछ नहीं मंगाया। नरेश इलेक्ट्रिशियन, अरे नहीं मासी ने। So the target is okay. Right now we'll keep 40 points. I know it is too high, but we will adjust it. Okay. This is a really good trade, which I think yesterday only I was looking at it. And I know Megan is here. I was doing the session with her, and in that Fibonacci we were doing, and trend line, trend channel we were doing, and I found out this. I said, this is beautiful. Why not, trade it? Okay. Second one is Asian Paints. Value Asiano Paint. Okay. So Asian Paint is doji at 60 on my weekly. Okay, and it is still around the same level. But now let's see this. ये डोजी फीवर है, वो देखो। हाँ भाई, इसको मजा आएगा। So it's a golden trade on Asian Paint actually. It's a CIP doji after a breakout. Breakout दिया ही नहीं, लेकिन big white नहीं है, but eventually it has come up, right? So you buy above the doji high again, which is at 3,002. You can expect it to come till at least this gap level 3064. Okay, and your stop loss is going to be also a little smaller. Okay, so that's how we get even the second trade is on Asian Paint. 2985. Yeah, 2985. एक मिनट, ये लीवर में भी एक ट्रेड बनता है, तो मैं दूसरा लाइन पे ही लिखूंगा इसको। Asian Paints. Okay, so 30 points is risk and 60 point is reward. Okay, then let's go to my favorite after a long time. देखा ही नहीं जिसको बहुत दिनों से, कल उसने कुछ तो किया था। Okay, it has now been stopped at this level. Okay. Breakout above this takes me to almost a very good level. So if Nifty has to go to 17,000 or 16,900, हाथी के बिना कैसे जाएगा? ये हाथी है, बहुत स्लो मूव हो रहा है ये टाइम पूरा। ओके, सो इसको मैंने हाथी बोला, घोड़ा बोला ही नहीं। घोड़ा तो ये टाइम बाकी ही लोग हैं, बाकी सब घोड़ा बन के भाग रहे, ये हाथी बन के बैठा है। Okay, so that's why
डेली थोड़ा कप और हैंडल लग रहा है डेली का।
नहीं सर, कप हैंडल नहीं है ये इतना उसको ओवर एनालाइज मत करो, क्योंकि वो कप है उसका मंथली पे है, और उसका 3 गुना दे चुका है ये, उसका लगान भर के हो गया, 3 गुना लगान दे दिया इसने मंथली पे। दिस इज नॉट कप एंड हैंडल, इट इज It's not even head and shoulder. Many people actually, मेरे को ये ध्यान में भी कब आया जब भी मेरे को दो जन ने पूछा ये head and shoulder है क्या? Okay, this is one shoulder head and another shoulder. No, because this should be then at 60 support or maybe above 60 at least होना चाहिए था इसका एक आर्म, वो नहीं है. ओके, दूसरा है कि ये बॉलिंजर बैंड के नीचे होना चाहिए था, वो भी नहीं है. तो मतलब it's not even a perfect head and shoulder, it is nothing, but I am only looking at a breakout on this particular horizontal line which will pull it till here. क्योंकि ये जब भी कोई भी रेजिस्टेंस या सपोर्ट ब्रेक होता है ना, तो उसका जो लास्ट पीक या तो टर्फ रहता है, बॉटम रहता है, उतना आपको डिस्टेंस ऊपर में मिलता है या नीचे में मिलता है. तो ये अगर अगर इधर ब्रेकआउट आता है तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस है उतना आपको ऊपर में मिलना चाहिए. So this is what you can get, but we'll have to wait for a breakout on this. So this I'm not giving you right now, but we might see it later in the week. Okay, it might come as a BTST as well. So we'll have to wait and watch for it. So Reliance still not looking that because it is at 60 resistance and upper band resistance right now. Weekly भी sideways जा चुका है ये बच्चा. खाली monthly पे 60 support लिया है इसने. Okay, so yeah, you can hold it in equity. I don't mind. Okay, थोड़ा इसको भी सिकुड़ देता हूँ. बहुत. हाँ, ठीक है. So, okay. And then we modern. So we saw FMCG में हम लोग ने Hind Unilever. So we have started only, then let's finish that first. So Unilever बहुत टाइम से see my trade earlier was also because it crossed this stuff. पहले भी हम लोग ने जो ट्रेड लिया था और वो 6-8 रुपए का लॉस करके निकल गए थे. उसके बाद मैंने वापस ट्रेड लिया था because it was this and then she made a doji here. So अगर ये डोजी का हाई क्रॉस करता है ना तो वापस ये यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. It might come to this level again. But then the risk is bigger. So जाने दो. Same है, 1:1 है. जाने दो इसको. लीवर को जाने दो. We are not interested in trading लीवर. Okay. Then let's go to Maruti in the auto sector. See, auto sector में this is at 40 and look at the formation here. Huh? See, it's a base. See, by the way, did you realize where it took support? See the gap here. ये गैप को तोड़ने वाला नहीं था. ये काफी मेहनत वाला गैप है. Look at the volume in this big white. Okay. Second thing is, now look at this. Any breakup on this is going to be a good one. Okay, so any breakout on this on the upside can be a good one because it's looking to me as a perfect descending wedge, and descending wedge is normally bullish in nature. 40 support. So if it bounces and goes above this line, again I might again come till 20 MA. Okay, so you might start buying above 7120. I think अपना टॉप बॉटम में उसका ये क्या है, स्टॉप लॉस, एनीवन नोज इट? एक मिनट, मैंने अभी बनाया स्टॉप बॉटम. हाँ, 7120 ही है ना, वही है. सो अबाउ दैट ओनली यू बाय. ओके, सो ये तो अपना बफर के साथ है, राइट? सो मारुति आल्सो इज अ बाय. इसको टाटा बाय बाय कर दो, ये नहीं है. हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर नहीं रहेगा. ओके, सो मारुति buy above 7120. SL is going to be 7028 है. 28 20. $7020. target would be upper band. तो मैं थोड़ा ऑटोलाइज एक मिनट है इसको थोड़ा ठीक कर देता हूँ पहले टारगेट फिर स्टॉप ऐसा हम टारगेट लिखते हैं पहले भाई 735 okay. So this is where Maruti is. So we got 3 trades right now. Let's now look into the other auto sector trade. Okay. Now MRF last week trade was basically, it was bullish divergence with range shift actually. This is around 38.98 and this was 40. Okay. So it was bullish divergence with range shift. Now if you recollect strategy 5 of RSI, it was this and it was a diamond category trade. And that time our upper band was at 82550. So that is the reason why I've given that as a target, because normally from 40 it will shoot till upper band. From lower band to upper band is the target. It gave the same day target and then it came, Humpty Dumpty. Okay. I don't know whether there was a result day या क्या था मालूम ही नहीं है मेरे को. Okay, I don't know anything which happened in MRF, but I just had seen just this, and there was a perfect buying above 81,800, which was this 80,100, because that was a trend line breakout out here around this level, and this is what we did. Now see again it is trying to cross 40. It has got a gap up here. Okay, and it can again start moving to the same level. So around this can be the first target. Okay, weekly क्या कर रहा है वो? Weekly इतना बड़ा डोजी बना के बैठा, छोड़ दो. See, weekly it has made spinning top. This is a doji, but we normally call it in technical term as a spinning top क्योंकि उसको ऊपर भी wig है, नीचे भी काफी बड़ा wig है. Look at the volume. It's a spinning top with volume. So if the high crosses you buy, low crosses you go short. But if your high crosses, it might give you a good target as well. So either or, it will give you a good target. So it's with volume. It's been defended by volume. MRF में भी कोई ट्रेड नहीं बन रहा. हमारा बजाज 40 क्रॉस किया है डेली पे, लेकिन बेटा अटक रहा है 20 एमए पे. Okay, so again there is a trade looking around at 40 for it. So this may be around 61% of retracement also. So it is at 61%. And that's why it has been rejecting the 0.5% also. तो अगर इसके ऊपर में निकला तो ये गाड़ी रुक के जाएगी. अभी ये गाड़ी रुक के जाएगी तो छोड़ दो इसको. Slow train we are not interested. By the way guys, be careful. कल से I think government is starting local trains in Mumbai, so be very careful if you are going to travel there. Corona गया नहीं है. Bajaj Auto, then what else? Escorts तो हम लोग ने छोड़ ही दिए. अच्छा, छोड़ दिया तब से ऊपर भी रहा है वो. So it is still at gap resistance. यहाँ पे भी gap resistance पे भी है and upper band resistance भी है. तुरंत support भी है तो short is only below this mark, but then छोड़ दो. It's looking like a good short candidate actually. Escorts. Aisha. पापा ये क्या है? गैप छोड़ दो इसको. Okay, there is a good setup here because it's a doji at around 40 and with volume. See again, ये सबका कल रिजल्ट आया है क्या? इतना सारा डोजी with volume बना रहे लोग.
यस रिजल्ट आया इसका भी.
अच्छा, इसका भी रिजल्ट आया है. फिर क्या लगता है बेचारा?
और भी एक उसमें अनाउंसमेंट था कि वो रॉयल एनफील्ड का यूनिट का जो सीईओ है उसने रिजाइन किया कि ऐसा कुछ था
Oh,
सेम डे द बिग फॉल डे।
हाँ, बराबर है। उसको किधर और जॉब मिल गया रहेगा, आजकल का जॉब मार्केट इतना गर्म है ना, मुंह मांग के पैसे भी देते हैं लोग। मैं भी सोचता हूँ जॉब पे चला जाऊँ वापस।
आपको अफोर्ड कौन करेगा?
और हमारा क्या होगा?
नहीं नहीं, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, वो दुनिया छोड़ आया। मेरे
हाँ?
सामने ही बैठते दो जॉब वाले, उनको देख के मैं परेशान हो जाता हूँ।
अब हमारा क्या होगा सर, हम आपके भरोसे जॉब और धंधा छोड़ के बैठे हैं।
अरे नहीं नहीं, नहीं जाऊंगा, नहीं जाऊंगा। क्योंकि टॉप बॉटम तो जॉब पे बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं, मैं तो वही सोचता रहता था। मैंने पहले टॉप बॉटम में चालू कर देता तो जिंदगी कुछ अलग रहती। हाँ, तो ऑटो सेक्टर किया। अच्छा, लेट्स सी द फार्मा सेक्टर। आई एम लुकिंग एट डीआरआर for a long long time. Now see this beautiful setup on DRR. It's a W. We might see a good thing. Okay, so let's see where to buy this. See, textbook hai ye, outside, inside. Look at the RSI here, 1825. So price down, RSI up, perfect bullish divergence setup. ओके, कल किसी ने तो मेरे को और भी डरा दिया यार। उसने फ्लैग भेजा, मतलब पता नहीं कहाँ से निकलते यार ये क्रिएटिव लोग, ऐसा बना के भेज दिया। बोलता है इतना भी नीचे जाएगा, मतलब डॉक्टर रेड्डी को ताला ही लगाएंगे ये लोग। ये इधर इतना नीचे गया तो इधर जाएगा ये 4000 आ जाएगा तो इन्वेस्टर लोग सुसाइड कर लेंगे। इसकी दवाई खा खा के मर जाएंगे फिर, लगता है। ये देखो कहाँ तक लेके आया उसको।
आरएसआई माइनस करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, वही आरएसआई माइनस हो जाएगा फिर तो। ये सोच के तो मेरा दिल घबरा गया, मतलब मैं लॉन्ग किया, मैं कॉल लेके बैठा हूँ 4700 का, 4750 का, मतलब एक दिन तो ये 5000 आना ही चाहिए अगस्त में। ये लोग ऐसे ऐसे बता रहे हैं मेरे को, मैं तो टेंशन में आ गया था। सो नाउ लेट्स सी वेयर टू बाय दिस एंड सी इट इज वीकली एट 40 सपोर्ट। सो वीकली इज एट 40, 39.43। कल कुछ ज्यादा ही गिरा लगता है ये। इट्स अराउंड 48, ओके, and it is at price support right now, okay. So let's see whether it shows a reversal now or not. So हाँ, buy करने में गलती नहीं है उसमें। Let's see where to buy this. This will buy about 4720 is the buying with the low as stop loss, and your first target is actually the same. Okay, so this is your target. Bullish divergence है, W setup है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, इतना आ जाए तो बस हो जाएगा। So we might see this coming up to 5055. Okay, so let's write down this. DRR 46 क्या था, 58 या उससे भी कम है क्या? हाँ, 58. Okay, buy about 4720. Target is going to be, I will give you right now the first target only. Okay, so keep the buy SL at the close price of this. Okay. So we got 4 trades. Now let's look at Divi's Lab. Also showed some good movement yesterday. Its first 60 support, Morningstar at 20 MA and 60 support. So Divi's Lab is also looking good to be a buy above this level, and you can expect the new high now. Okay, so it's looking good. Oh, weekly authority, daily, week, monthly, doji at all-time high. That is fine. So you still look at Divi's Lab. It is looking good, decent. डिवीज का क्वांटिटी कितना है? आई थिंक सर ऑल्सो ट्रेड्स इट अ लॉट. इसका 200-250 के आसपास में ही है क्या क्वांटिटी?
200.
200 है. हाँ, then we can trade, that is fine. तो we can easily trade this. खाली ये कि ये वॉलेटाइल बहुत रहता है. So, what is the closing? 4939, 4931. Okay. Buy above. I get 4960. Okay. क्या चाहिए दिख रहा है? 4960. Target. 4040. Stop loss is going to be 4915. Okay. So 4915 का लॉजिक है. It is this level. Okay, ये डोजी के हाई वाला, ये डोजी जो है ना उसका हाई. This is it. Okay, इसके लिए मैंने 4915 रखा है. इस मॉर्निंग स्टार का जो डोजी है ना उसका हाई इज अराउंड दैट लेवल 4918.95. तो इसके लिए उसका 4915 मैंने रखा है. एक्चुअली 4920 रख सकता था बट आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. 3 पॉइंट नीचे रखेंगे चलेगा. So that is the level where the support lies actually for the morning star actually. Yeah. अभी दूसरा कौन सा? अभी दवाई में बहुत हो गया. मैंने किधर टाइप किया? सिप्ला क्यों गया? करना किधर और स्क्रीन पे जा रहा है. माँ सिप्ला में तो और गिरेगा, जाने दो इसको. फिर दूसरा कौन है? अरे लुपिन बेचारा बहुत पिट गया है. ओहो, इसने ऐसा क्या पाप किया है? Bearish range shift and then the fall has been massive. अभी थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा फार्मा स्टॉक्स को भी. There is a volume over here. So might be this also CIP. Let's wait. The pharma sector is at support exactly. So let's see now how it goes from here. Okay, looking. So pharma देखा, ऑटो देखा, FMCG देखा, IT, TCS चालू करना है. तो वापस किधर टाइप हो रही है? सच्ची में यार क्या चल क्या रही है? TCS. What Baba? See the breakout on TCS, huh? It's a band walk on daily. Weekly पे भी band walk चालू कर दिया इसने. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, ये देखो. So you can expect this to still go higher. 2740. So TCS is looking still good. And now see even the RSI on monthly has been relaxed. It has come down to 70. अभी डेली अभी शूट हुआ है 78 के ऊपर. And daily in a stock can go to even 90-95. So that is not anything wrong. Forces तो I think hardly 40 क्या 60 support भी दिखा तो I think you can go long. Right now there is no entry now because there is already band walk started. It crossed the previous all-time high, 3400 wala. Infi bhi to all-time high and it is also going bindas. इधर भी कुछ नहीं है. See, इसका भी फ्लैग सेटअप था और उसने फ्लैग का टारगेट तक दे दिया है. We're almost at the target done actually. Okay, still around 40 odd points. Okay, so this is looking okay to me.
सर L&T सर्विसेज देखते हैं.
L&T services, LTSS.
LTSS.
हाँ हाँ, LTSS मत देखो सर, उसका चार्ट बहुत छोटू है. LTTS है वो ना, ये वाला. इसमें क्या समझता ही नहीं है, रोज 200-300 रुपया भागता है यार ये.
हाँ.
और ये मूवमेंट भी अच्छा खासा करता है, इसके लिए मैं आ, ये प्रिफर ही नहीं करता है. तो ये रोज ऐसे ही भागता है, क्यों भागता है मालूम नहीं. ये है फिर अभी माइंट्री भी ऐसे ही भागता है.
हाँ माइंट्री भी रखता है. सही है.
हाँ, ये लोग भी है ना, अपने को जगह नहीं दे रहा है, घुसने का जगह ही नहीं दे रहा है. एक्चुअली क्या हो गया ना, हम लोग बेसिक नेसेसिटी देखने में पड़े थे, उतने में ये और मेटल पूरा ऐसे भाग गया है ना. See, this is also doing good only. Mindtree is also there. वो भी जाते ही जा रहा है. See this, मतलब bankrupt company L&T ने लेने के बाद पूरा उसका हुलिया ही बदल दिया है. Bankrupt था ये बेचारा.
हाँ.
So IT में भी I don't see any entry. कोई स्टॉक जो दिमाग में आ रहा है अभी, पीडीलाइट देखना था मुझे. When few companies like those are doing good. So Pidilite, हाँ, see, I was seeing this yesterday. It is at lower band and 40 support. Okay, so this also is looking good. And there is, इसमें भी मैंने retracement देखा था 23% के आसपास में. So bottom to top and see it is exactly at 23%. So Pidilite was also something which I was looking to enter. Okay, but खाली एक ही है, your entry is above the high of this candle. So 2225 पे Pidilite पे entry है. Let me, Pidilite का I think 500 ही है ना, या 250 है क्वांटिटी.
500.
500 है ना. हाँ, इसके लिए थोड़ा डर लगता है मेरे को. इसके लिए नॉर्मल अपना ये DRR ऊपर नीचे दोनों कैसे आ गया. तो मैंने सेक्टर सब कवर किया ना, ऑटो देखा, फार्मा देखा, एफएमसीजी, आईटी, बैंक बाकी है. अच्छा, मैं वही सोचूं कुछ तो बाकी है. टू क्या था इसका क्लोजिंग प्राइस बेचा रहा था 2211. So 20 rupees risk around, we'll see that. Okay, let's go to banking sector now. HDFC. HDFC. Aha. Beta. So Bank Nifty has got bearish divergence and this is now at 60, just crossover, but also at gap resistance. So we need now to क्लोज द गैप, तो जाने दो, हम तुमको नहीं देखेंगे। बाप रे, ये देखो द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना है इधर। ठीक है, टॉप बॉटम जिंदाबाद। फिर तो क्रॉस करेंगे नहीं करेंगे मालूम नहीं। But there is a PRD setup here actually. There is a 4 bar PRD setup which got confirmed, by the way. Up till the price has confirmed the PRD. Look at, there is a 4 bar PRD here. Okay, 60.66, 58.77. So there is a PRD here. So PRD setup and इसका target कितना है वो देखने दो। 18, मतलब 10 रुपया on the high between this only, no? So 1560 is the target. So अभी मेरे ख्याल से 1560 गया, PRD कंफर्म करेगा और कंफर्म तो हो गया है. So if it now gives it the target, then we are good, and it's a bull sesh right now on monthly in making. So 15 दिन बाकी है, ये bull sesh का क्या और बन सकता है मालूम नहीं है. और अगर 60 आ गया तो इसके ऊपर चला जाएगा वो. So PRD target also brings weekly above 60 and daily will then start band walk. You'll have to wait and watch actually for it. तो रुको, उसको कुछ करो मत. और दूसरा मेरे को एक अच्छा लगता है वो है ICICI और Axis. Okay. See, this is a bullish harami at 60 support followed by doji. So ये अच्छा लगता है मेरे को. 725 के लिए. So एक 10 रुपये का रिस्क. So ICICI Bank can be bought above the doji high for a target of 725 with a stop loss of the low. Thank you. Okay. So the only thing is it is very close to the stop loss actually and to the entry. ये डोजी बहुत छोटा है ये. जाने दो. Axis में भी वैसे ही है, but it is at 60 resistance. See, Axis भी gap और 60 resistance है. HDFC भी वहाँ पे ही है, gap resistance पे है. So I would just say wait and watch for Bank Nifty.
So कोटक बैंक का आई थिंक शॉर्ट सेल है शायद.
कोटक, हाँ कोटक भी 60 को रेजिस्ट कर रहा है. But see, there is another provision of this also, no? Kotak में. It has gone like this. Now it is waiting. There is a hammer also here, and it can go ऊपर. ये इधर तक आ जाएगा वापस.
सर वो 5 लास्ट कैंडल में RSI कम है तो आई थिंक इट विल कम डाउन. लास्ट
No. It is not that way. It is taking support at this line. वो इसको नहीं तोड़ा है अब तक. तो जब तक 1766 नहीं तोड़ता है ना, तब तक it is at support. So that 1766 is, अगर आप पूरा लाइन ड्रॉ कर लो तो देखो क्या है. Resistance, resistance, resistance. This is first CIP here and I'm now taking support. So this resistance is turned to support after the breakout here. And see, पहले भी यही लेवल पे सपोर्ट था. इधर भी देखो टाइम पास हुआ है वही लेवल पे. इधर भी फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट एंड देन इट हैज गॉन अप. सो यहाँ पे ट्रैप किया गया है. ये भी ऑलमोस्ट ट्रैप ही बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि ज्यादातर नीचे नहीं रहा है. ये ब्रेकआउट है और अभी इधर व्हाइट कैंडल और इधर एक बड़ा व्हाइट से वो ऊपर भी आया है. सो वेट एंड वॉच फॉर दिस बिकॉज बैंक निफ्टी जो करेगा ना उधर से ये चलेगा. तो बैंक निफ्टी अगर बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस को कंफर्म करेगा तो ये सब गिरना चालू होगा, नहीं तो नहीं गिरेगा. मैं तो ये ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. सो करंटली वी आर नॉट लुकिंग इनटू एनी सिग्नल्स. एक्चुअली मिक्स सिग्नल्स है दोनों में. बैंकिंग सेक्टर भी पूरा मिक्स सिग्नल दे रहा है, और अपना चाचा जो है गीता बबीता, वो भी वैसे ही है. मतलब गीता इज डूइंग गुड, शी इज विनिंग गोल्ड, निफ्टी इज डूइंग गुड, बट बबीता थोड़ा परेशान करेगी अभी, सबको लगता है. सी एसबीआई इज आल्सो मेकिंग डोजीज ओनली. मतलब ये क्या है? वो जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. अरे बाप रे, इतना बड़ा शूटिंग स्टार जैसा कैंडल है इसमें तो मंथली. ये
सर
मतलब रिजल्ट देगा, रिएक्शन है मेरे ख्याल से. हाँ
सर
देवेंद्र.
HDFC लिमिटेड देखेंगे, उसमें फ्लैग पैटर्न है और शायद ब्रेकआउट भी हुआ है और बड़ा फ्लैग है डेली में.
HDFC
हाँ, HDFC लिमिटेड
बड़ा. HDFC. हाँ,
डेली में देखिए.
तो इधर भी अच्छा ही दिख रहा है.
हाँ
बट सी दिस ओके. मैं जब भी डेली में कुछ दिखता है, साथ साथ में मैं इधर एक बार देख लेता हूँ. Okay, we are at price resistance here. Okay, so we need a breakout now about this. Okay, parallelly it is around 60 resistance yet. Just 61, 62 के ऊपर रहता तो ठीक था. ये वीकली पे इसका ये सीन है. निकलना बेटा. और यहाँ पे आहा, यहाँ पे okay, breakout आया नहीं है देवन भाई, because
अच्छा.
see the volume still has not come. See, this
ओके.
is the polka volume, excellent volumes here.
हम्म.
And now if you see tomorrow a big line here,
हम्म.
तो एंट्री करो, ये अच्छा है.
और बड़ा है 301 पॉइंट का
बड़ा बड़ा है, बड़ा है. यस
फ्लैग
यस
है,
यस.
सीधा 3000 पे लेके जाएगा.
ये आपका ब्रेकआउट एरिया है. ओके, सो वेट एंड वॉच. So this is what you're expecting. Breakout actually आया है, but see I'm not finding it in volume.
वॉल्यूम्स.
पोल का वॉल्यूम आना चाहिए, तभी वो एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम काउंट होता है इन केस ऑफ फ्लैग. तभी फ्लैग में ब्रेकआउट बोल सकते हैं. और हो सकता है सी आइडियली 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी के आसपास ये दिखता ही दिखता है. ओके सो
वो तो लाल किले पे और वहां दिखता है.
इसके लिए ये होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. And normally try to see patterns also in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Yeah, indices will salute to the nation. Normally they do. So अभी मेरे ख्याल से नेक्स्ट वीक में बहुत सारा झंडा वंदन होने वाला है. तो इसके लिए डर है डॉक्टर है कि कहीं उल्टा झंडा ना कर दे, वो भी झंडा वंदन में उल्टा झंडा कर देगा. So this is looking good actually. 2955 तक का टारगेट है इसमें. So buy is above this one line, 2743 actually. Right now it is at 2702. So I would suggest buy about 2550. Looks good actually. Volume
Thanks.
is decent there.
थैंक्स सर.
इसका भी quantity is what 500 only, no?
नहीं 300 है सर.
अच्छा 300 हो गया, तो हम भी ले देते हैं. So quantity, तो हम भी कर लेंगे इसको.
हाँ 300 है.
बहुत सारा बाय बाय हो रहा है.
BYE बाय बाय नहीं हो जाता. अच्छा.
50. It is 2950. Sell रखना है 960. Okay, since it's a flag setup, उसके नीचे घुस गया वापस, ब्रेकआउट करके तो बाय बाय हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is what are the stocks actually. इसका closing prices 270456 क्या था भूल गया. वाह, शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी लॉस है मेरा. So this is what it is. Maruti closing price is 7022 के आसपास. ओके, एशियन पेंट का भी भूल गया मैं डालना 2989. ओके ओके. सो एनी अदर स्टॉक्स, एनीथिंग कुछ मिलेगा तो आई थिंक वी आर डन ऑलमोस्ट. बहुत हो गया. ट्रेड भी 7 ट्रेड है. इतना कब करेंगे मालूम नहीं. एक साथ ट्रिगर नहीं होना चाहिए. बस एक एक करके होएगा तो अपना हफ्ता अच्छा जाएगा. ठीक है. सो हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे एवरीवन. एंजॉय योर गुड डे. आई नो एक छुट्टी चला गया अपना. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट वीक मेरी तो शॉर्ट वीक है बाय द वे. सो थर्सडे आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू बॉलिंजर बैंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स. अगर you know we are there, because I think if I'm not going to Mahad, I will definitely do it, because I think we started that learning series. We did RSI last time. Okay, so we'll do Bollinger Band and concepts of Bollinger Band maybe this week. So if it will be same time on Thursday around 11:30. Okay, so I'll send the invite if I'm available. Otherwise, we'll see during the next holidays. Okay. So just help to share these videos when I upload. You can spread it across your friends and families. I know you do that, but it will help more and more people to get this benefit. So thank you all, and once again, happy Independence Day.